स्पीकर सर, म्हाका कांय समजना हें कॉलिंग एटेन्शन आज दिवपाचें कित्याक ऑलरेडी डिमांड्सां काल आमी हें सगळें उलयलें. नोबडी इज लुकींग इन टू दीस सिट्युएशन. दीस वॉज एक्झॅक्टली डिस्कस्ड येस्टरडे आनी हें कॉलिंग एटेन्शन परतून काडलां आयज. सो आय डोंट नो हाव आर वी मॅनेजिंग ऑल दीस थिंग्स. समथींग हॅज टू बी डन. आमकां समजना जाल्यार काल डिमांड्साचें हें सगळें उलयलें आनी हें कॉलिंग एटेन्शन पयलें.
If you do not wish to move it, you can withdraw it.
No, I will move it. I will not withdraw. But there should be some management, no, when we are doing things. Attention.
Move the calling attention.
So I would like to move the calling attention. Should I read it? No.
Yes, of course you have to read it.
Attention of the House. Attention of the House is drawn to the state of unemployment in Goa, especially the youth, despite the claims of economic growth and development. Moreover, lack of guidance and support from government has the youth feeling helpless and disillusioned. The steps the government to give necessary access to resources and support to the youth to succeed.
Honorable Minister.
Yes, sir. I stand to answer to the calling attention raised by Honorable Member Captain Venzy Viegas. Speaker, sir, Department of Labour and Employment is proactive with the Directorate of Industries, Trade, Commerce and Directorate of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship to ensure that Goans get maximum opportunities for seeking employment in Goa. Under Regional Employment Exchange, the Model Career Center has organized job fair and placement drive to bridge the gap between job seekers and employers. In addition, career counseling, career guidance program, soft skill training sessions on civil service competitive exams, banking exams preparation, and entrepreneurship orientation programs have been organized in order to enhance the skills of job seekers as per market requirement. Therefore, the endeavor of the government is to connect all the job seekers, career aspirants across Goa with the relevant career and employment opportunities according to their skills, aptitude, qualification, and interests, thus bringing talent closer to opportunities. The department is exploring for the state amendment of the Central Act, the Employment Exchange Compulsory Notification of Vacancies Act 1959, to bring more stringent mechanism of ensuring compliance by various companies and firms.
Speaker sir, unemployment has been a big issue in our state. Every year there have been students passing out. Every year there has been vacancies that we are expecting, but भुरग्यांक series मेळना. Ani day by day our unemployment ratio is going high. Speaker sir, मागता काल आमी भरपूर भासाभास केल्ली हा. What is missing here is government job fairs. Government job fairs should be and the next in this budget or till the 31st of March 2025. Government job fairs. आम जॉब फेअर्स कोताय ते प्रायवेटाक आटाय आनी जॉब फेअर करूं सोदताय. गव्हर्मेंटाक गेले जॉब फेअर, PWD गे थिंग आसपा जाय वेकन्सी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट सगळे एकठांय जाय आनी तुमगे जॉब फेअर थिंग ते भाशेन कोराय सो दॅट इट इज इन अ व्हेरी ट्रान्सपरंट मॅनर. स्पीकर सर, सेकंड थिंग इज वी वूड लायक टू सी द percentage in reduction of unemployment. Percentage in reduction of unemployment. गेल त्या वर्सा कितू अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट आसलें, ह्या वर्सा कितू अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जालां, तेची पर्संटेज वाडोवल्या ओ देंवल्या. आनी येत्या वर्साक 2025 कित प्लॅन आहा देंवोवपाक वो स्टॅटिस्टिक्स रेशियो म्हाका सदां काडपाची गरज आहा. आनी हें काडलें जाल्यार वी वील एबल टू वर्क ऑन इट. नाव एज वी स्पोक येस्टरडे ड्युरींग द डिमांड्स, गव्हर्मेंट जॉब सगळ्या घरान दिवपाक तुमचे कडेन तें जावपाना. हर घर जल म्हणटाय तुमी, तें जलूय जालें ना दिवपाक. म्हाका सदां हर घर गव्हर्मेंट नोकरी म्हणटाय ती तुमकां जावपाना. सो तें जर तर जायना जाल्यार वी हॅव टू मेक शुअर दॅट देर इज अ डिसंट जॉब in order to ensure the SDG, The SDG goal number 1, काल जे भाशेन आमी सांगलोलें, sustainable development goal number 1 is no poverty. आणि no poverty जातो जाल्यार sustainable goal number 1 achieve जातो जाल्यार we need to have that we have got healthy jobs and everybody gets jobs where the salary is very healthy. आज गोंयकार भुरगे भायर वयताय कित्याक आमकोडे हिंगा गोंयांत जॉब हेल्दी जॉब्स विथ गूड सॅलरी दिवपा जायना. जरी तरी आमकोडे हेल्दी जॉब्स विथ गूड सॅलरीज दिवपा जायना जाल्यार भायर वचपाचोय अरेंजमेंट तांकां ऑप्शन्स दिवपा जाय. जे भाशेन हिंग घायलां द गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट इवन शोईंग गायडन्स हाऊ डू वी गो अब्रॉड. जरी तरी आज आमकां ह्या वर्साक समज एक 10,000 जॉब्स दिवपा आमकडे प्लॅन आहा जो गव्हर्मेंट जॉब्स आहा आनी 5,000 जॉब्स आमकां समज प्रायवेट सेक्टरान गोंयांत दिवपा जॉब्स आहा. 5,000 भुरग्यां भायर कितकोन वयतले. Why I'm saying like this is because our Goan boys like to go also on the ship. And now shipping background antlo. I can bring shipping companies to Goa. I have already started. I am taking initiative. Chief Minister is aware of these initiatives and he has also appreciated that we are bringing shipping companies to Goa. So zat zalyar I think we should identify a space. If you can give us space, I will start getting shipping companies to open up offices in Goa. Give them space. आमको जर तर जाग दिवपा जाता एक फ्लोरू दिवपा जाता हुंचे बिल्डिंगा आय डोंट नो कलेक्टरेट बिल्डिंगा जागा आहा जाल्यार तो अलॉट करूं जाता जाल्यार हुंचे गव्हर्मेंट हितून जर तर आमकां एक अलॉट करूं जाता जाल्यार क्युबिकल्स इंटरव्यू घेवपाक फिक्स स्पेस नो नॉट फॉर इंटरव्यूज फॉर परमनंट फिक्स ना हांव गव्हर्मेंटा जॉब्सा उलयना गव्हर्मेंटा जॉब्सा उलयना हांव शिपींग कंपनीज गोंयां हाडपाक वेर दे वील स्टार्ट गिवींग जॉब्स टू गोवन्स. सो तें जरी तरी येतो जाल्यार वी हॅव टू गिव देम स्पेस लायजनिंग ऑफिस करपाक. सो गिव अस स्पेस वी वील ब्रिंग इन एटलीस्ट 10 to 15 companies here who would like to come and get stationed. So this will help. Give me space, I will get in all the companies where they will have permanent space. So this will help in order to reduce.